If you are going to do a river crossing, some climbing, or rappelling, then you are going to want to know how to tie a military Swiss seat. Let me show you how. The first thing you need to do is to tuck in your shirt. Then you inspect your equipment. Look for cracks and breaks, wear marks and tears. Your life may depend on your equipment, so treat it well, keep it clean, and inspect it before use. My Swiss seat rope is about 4 meters long. I'm using orange so you can see it clearly. Find the center of the rope and place it on your hip on the opposite side of your rappelling brake hand. Pull the rope around behind you and make 2 overhand wraps. It looks better and is more comfortable to make the waist of your Swiss seat under your belt line, but it is more secure to make it over your belt, above your hips. Pull the rope behind you to make the seat. Never crisscross your seat ropes. Don't put them close together. I recommend keeping them wide, across the meatiest part of your backside. Tuck the seat rope under your waist rope and pull tight. Wrap the rope under, then out so it looks like this. Then bring the rope across your waist and back to your non-rappelling brake hand hip. Tie a square knot. Secure each side with an overhand knot, and be sure to cinch it down. Tuck all excess rope into your pocket. Feel free to be an overachiever and move your belt buckle out of the way. And then lock in your snap link. You are now ready for business. Get out there and have some fun. Thanks for training with me today. Please like and subscribe if you want to join my Life as a Special Operations team. And don't forget to forward this video to a friend who needs to see this. Life is a special operation. Are you ready for it?